In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install custom fonts. First, go to your preferred font site, such as dafont.com or Google Fonts. Any one of these. I prefer Dafont. Pick a font. I'm gonna do this one, New Cheese. Link in the description. And you find the download link. Download. Save it. Go to your file explorer down here. Downloads. Right-click your file wherever you saved it. Extract all. And then click extract right here. Now it will open up a new folder. Go ahead and double-click the TTF file. You should see then the font name.ttf. And then you see this little window pop up. You click install right here. It's going to install with this little window. And you can go ahead and close it out once the window disappears. And then close it all out and restart your computer. And you have the font. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to my main channel, TheBeast0253. Goodbye.